Do you ever feel so overwhelmed by your clutter that you don't even know where to start? In this video, we're going to tackle the topic of decluttering head-on, and I'll share some practical tips and strategies to help you get your home organized and clutter-free. So, how do you get started with decluttering when you're feeling overwhelmed? The key is to take it one step at a time. Don't try to tackle your entire home in one day. That's just setting yourself up for failure. Instead, start small. Set a goal to declutter one area or room at a time. This could be your closet, your kitchen counter, or your desk. Whatever area you choose, make sure it's one that's causing you the most stress and anxiety. Once you've chosen your area, it's time to categorize your items. This means grouping similar items together so you can see what you have and make decisions about what to keep and what to get rid of. There are a few different ways to categorize your items, but one simple approach is to sort things into 3 piles: keep, donate, and discard. Be honest with yourself about each item. Do you really need it, or can you let it go? As you're categorizing, remember that every item you keep should serve a purpose or bring you joy. If it doesn't meet one of those criteria, it's probably safe to get rid of it. Another key strategy for decluttering is to focus on one item at a time. Don't try to make decisions about multiple items at once. That can be overwhelming and make it harder to make progress. Instead, take one item and ask yourself a few simple questions. Do I need this item? Do I use it regularly? Does it bring me joy or serve a purpose? If the answer is no, it's probably safe to get rid of the item. And remember, getting rid of clutter is not about getting rid of memories or sentimental items. It's about creating space and simplicity in your life. Kindly hit that subscribe button if you need more decluttering tips like this, and it also helps to push this video to people who might need it to declutter their homes. Thank you. One of the most effective decluttering techniques I've come across is the one-in, one-out rule. This means that for every new item you bring into your home or workspace, you get rid of an old one. This rule helps you maintain a sense of balance and keeps clutter from building up over time. It also helps you think more carefully about the items you bring into your life and whether they're really worth the space they take up. Another technique is the 12-12-12 challenge. This involves finding 12 items to throw away, 12 items to donate, and 12 items to keep. This can be a fun and motivating way to get started with decluttering and can help you make progress quickly. Remember, decluttering is a process, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get everything done at once. Just focus on making progress and creating space in your life. So, what's the first step you're going to take in your decluttering journey? Are you going to clear out a cluttered closet or tackle that pile of papers on your desk? Also, if you have loved this video and watched till this far, then kindly don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos about decluttering and minimalism. Whatever it is, remember that you're taking control of your space and your life. You're creating a sense of calm and simplicity and making room for what really matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found some helpful tips and strategies for decluttering your home. If you've got a decluttering story to share, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for more organization tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got plenty of content to help you get your home and life organized.